So what are we making tonight? What aren't we making? I mean, there are so many recipes, right? But this is how it goes. When you batch cook, you just get in the kitchen, you get your ingredients, and you cook a number of things that you can mix and match. You can freeze for later, and you can save money this way. You can save time and energy this way. So we're going to do a chicken sheet pan dinner. You can also do a tofu option for the sheet pan dinner with lots of yummy veggies. And we'll do a totally low sodium, totally homemade. And we'll do a lentil bowl as well as a really fun, colorful cabbage coleslaw. So your temperature for everything is 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to start with the sheet pan dinner, so you can follow along on your recipe. And if you wanted to use tofu, just do that, right? No problem. So in our sheet pan, we have potatoes. So here's the thing. If you're scared to use potatoes because your potassium might be something you're watching, right? And potatoes are a higher potassium food, you can just double boil. You see how I've cut them? Can you see that? Into just these cubes like that? Pieces. You just throw them in a pot with water, bring that to a boil, throw the water out, refill with new water, boil it again. It's called double boiling, and you can remove 70% of the potassium that way. So you can eat potatoes more often and not worry.
What we really try to focus on is getting a variety. So I'd say some days eat potatoes, some days you do your sweet potatoes. Same thing, you can double boil if there are concerns with potassium. You can double boil all your root vegetables. You can double boil the lentils too, which we'll talk about a little bit later. But I would say pretty similar potassium content. There's a bit more fiber maybe in the sweet potatoes. But what I would say in general, whichever one you like better. Really, it's all about what you like the taste of. That's what I would go for.
A lot of people are worried that if I eat carrots, my potassium will go up. But in the body, that's not actually happening. So all those lists with fruits and vegetables that have potassium listed on it, it doesn't mean that that's going to be potassium in your blood. So things that are high in fiber, like the carrots, actually a lot of the potassium is bound to that fiber, so you're going to get rid of it, and it's better for you because your digestive system will do better because we'll remove it through the bowel.